Sometimes plants display subtle warning signs before a more serious problem develops. One possible factor behind this condition is Leifsonia xyli. Some of the signs you might notice are: this disease is primarily found in budding sugarcane plants. At first, there may be no obvious diagnostic symptoms except for reduced or stunted growth. Small, orange, pinhead-like bacterial spots may appear in the soft tissues inside the sugarcane nodes. As the disease progresses, plants may show stunted growth, thin stems with short internodes, pale yellow leaves, and rapid tapering of the stem toward the tip. Sugarcane nodes can develop yellowish-brown discoloration depending on weather conditions and the variety grown. The discoloration generally does not extend into the internodes. Highly susceptible varieties may wilt during periods of moisture stress and can sometimes develop leaf tip or leaf margin necrosis. Reduced yield may also occur. This issue may develop due to factors like the bacteria can remain viable for several months in crop debris or soil and enter plants mainly through wounds. Mechanical transmission can occur easily when plants are injured or handled with contaminated tools. You can start with gentle or natural methods such as cut sugarcane seedlings 1 to 5 days before treatment, then pre-treat them in hot water at 50 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. On the following day, treat them again in hot water at 50 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 hours. Keep in mind that hot water treatment may reduce germination rates. If needed, stronger treatments may include, when possible, consider combining preventive measures with biological or other control methods. Applying ammonium sulfate has been associated with a significant reduction in disease, along with improvements in sugarcane yield and white sugar production. An antibiotic treatment combined with hot water treatment at 52 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes may also provide some disease suppression and help improve yield. To help reduce the chances of recurrence, plant healthy, disease-free sugarcane material to reduce the risk of disease spread. Handle plants carefully and avoid creating unnecessary wounds. After harvesting, remove crop residues from the field to reduce potential sources of infection. In general, shoot growth becomes stunted. Stems are thin with short internodes, while the foliage may appear pale yellow. Internal discoloration or reddish necrotic areas may also be visible inside the stems. Follow for more helpful plant care insights.